Tension relief yoga involves a series of yoga poses and techniques aimed at reducing stress, releasing tension, and promoting relaxation in the body and mind. It's a great way to unwind, improve flexibility, and cultivate a sense of calm. Here are some common yoga poses and practices that can help with tension relief. Wait, before starting the Keto Cleanse video, I introduce you with Ikaria Lean Belly Juice, which will help you to burn belly fat naturally in 7 days. For more details, click the link in the video description below. Child's Pose, Balasana. Kneel on the mat. Sit back on your heels and extend your arms forward with palms resting on the ground. Relax your forehead on the mat and focus on deep, rhythmic breathing. Cat, Cow Pose, Marjarasana. Start on your hands and knees. Arch your back upward. Cat pose. Then drop your belly down and lift your head. Cow pose. Repeat this movement in sync with your breath for a few rounds. Forward fold, Uttanasana. Stand with feet hip width apart. Hinge at your hips and fold forward, reaching towards your feet or shins. Allow your head and neck to relax and breathe deeply. Seated forward bend, Paschimottanasana. Sit on the floor with your legs extended straight in front of you. Hinge at your hips and reach for your feet or shins while keeping your spine straight. Bridge pose, Setu Bandhasana. Lie on your back, bend your knees, and place your feet hip width apart on the mat. Press your feet into the mat as you lift your hips and chest, creating a bridge. Like shape. Legs up the wall pose, Viparita Karani. Lie on your back near a wall, extending your legs upward and resting them against the wall. Relax in this inverted position, focusing on deep breathing and calming the mind. Corpse pose, Savasana. Lie flat on your back, arms by your sides, palms facing up and legs slightly apart. Close your eyes and focus on relaxing each part of your body, allowing yourself to let go completely. Deep breathing and meditation. Practice deep breathing exercises such as diaphragmatic breathing or alternate nostril breathing to help calm the nervous system. Incorporate mindfulness or guided meditation to promote relaxation and reduce mental tension. Ready to say goodbye to stubborn belly fat? Get Ikaria Lean Belly Juice Keto. Click the link in the video description below. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on social media for more exciting audio content.